Hi VivaFam, this is Richa from CoachViva.com and welcome to our 5 ingredients or less recipe series, and I'm here with Heidi from Manifest Kitchen.
We're making roasted chicken with potato salad, but get excited. This potato salad has green beans.
Drizzle your chicken with oil, season with salt and pepper. Place your chicken in the oven and bake for 25 to 35 minutes. Cut your potatoes and toss in with your green beans. Add your mustard, season with salt and pepper, drizzle some more oil. Stir everything to combine. Chop up your green onions, mix those in, and serve. If you have any questions, check out the recipe below or email me.
This was a part of our 5 ingredients or less recipe series.
Hey there, if you want to know when the next episode drops, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon. Until then, keep crushing it.